what is the father-daughter relationship between him and now? You look at myself, we also have to pay attention to that, because that's something where we pay a whole heap attention to in terms of who have kids in the show. Like you to play Vicious, but bringing in Fiend's son. So him literally are the more things with his son now, because the mother they are people. But we establish him as just a bad boy. But we start giving more of a purpose now. And the reason why, because he have two sons in a real life. But we never use that part of it. And then we realize we just go down the road and badness with them, and people just see me in a one light, and then it started getting monotonous. So we started giving him a purpose now. So their mother used to keep his son away from him because of the badness. But now, he might try changing ways. There's something that is yearning to be around the youth. So we bring him in son now, and we're going to see him and his son up there, cricket, and they might all are raising him son. So there is a dynamic where we don't talk a lot about in Jamaica with daddy daughter kind of thing, because men are younger than perceived as men who don't take care of their kids and have a kind of bond with their kids. So even though when we turn and meet, we're getting the comedy element and the fact that he is going to be asking me whether or not he ever tell whisper about the pregnancy, we still also have to look at what is the dynamic between the two of them. What is the relationship between the two? Have you softened up to your father? Because he never knew about you, and we're over that hurdle, but where are both of you? Because you did say in one of the scenes then say, you know, a scene, but on a talk on the phone. So that shows that you have a relationship, which is something we have to. And it's only because the tournament, it's so hard to pin down the tournament, to shoot, not just together, but if we know we have it at least once a week, we can talk about it, even if we don't always sing it together. We can talk about it, the relationship, and the fact that we go over the house and you know, over there have dinner the other day and what you know happened yesterday. Wow. And they pick me up the gift to you. So they pick up things to you, so it's a mash up your head.
Twice. That's why I said twice as much.
Yes.
So
but what happened now is this. She came here the other day and she buy a car, but she don't make whisper now because she wants to surprise him. Okay. And she knows that she's pregnant. So when she there the other day, she have eat. She have 3 big foot and I eat it with ketchup. Like she just her rapid chest and eat it with ketchup. So Tonian noticed and I wonder, what is this? But Tonian kind of sense said, no man, something must wrong with Patsy Wild. But
and I'm also miserable with him.
I should
never.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So you know, because the scene where you talk to Bubbles, you know that she's pregnant. But you also know
what was it that I had said to Bubbles? That I'm trying to remember what was my last interaction. When I
no, me talk to you the last time when you tell
yes.
When you tell
I never hear that one. I didn't get to watch it.
You tell Bubbles say the boy I go through a moment of disappointment.
Okay.
But him to just know say everything happened for
a reason.
Well,
obviously I not
tell him say I know you know, but me not think no one telling you. I want to keep it as a surprise. Now you seeing almost joy and hurt.
So maybe it is one thing that she would want me to see, because remember say some things I see, some things I don't, some things are jumbled, you know. But the fact that I came straight to her and said
when you gonna tell him?
Yeah, when you gonna tell him, she can probably say it's a one dream, whenever you get her see her, whatever, you know. Because it is not beyond me to see that. So when we say so when you know how me stay, so you are thinking now that you know even when you pray say him not pick up on it. You pray say we not get them vision.
We need at least 10 minutes. What we are talking about now, can finish in 5. But what we need to add to it is this. When you say to him, say, "But maybe a person, say, when I'm doing them, sick." Insist that there's a, you start telling him, say, I'm not ready to say it to him because I want to surprise him. And him could have said, this is how you want to surprise him with the vehicle you're buying. Yeah, man. Because now, I have to bother him for everything. And that now, shake up the talking points. Maybe you want to know what with Mildred, him want to know what with your mother. Conversation come up and make it look like maybe you want to see her again. You might tell you a little time when you are not, you might not used to. Just some things that come up and ask you if you still love her and just them little things there. For just make up the time. Because if we don't know the talking points, we know what we are buck shuffle, but what we know is alright. So in the close after that conversation we are going into this. So we need at least 3 good talking points we can give.
We have pen?
Right, majority of them.
A short pencil is better than a long pen.
Thing is, I have a book and pen. In my book and pen. So is it a case where she knows that I'm first grand picnic?
It wouldn't be, it's just a Mildred, a really Mildred grand picnic.
Oh, so a Mildred grand
picnic. A really Mildred grand picnic. And a mile, I really have.
Also, in the really, so we.
This is a good thing. For me, if you are going over Mildred grand picnic and then ban, you know.
Yeah, Mildred really one day.
Yeah.
You have mad me.
I know I'm doing things, you know. And then remember how him going over Destiny as well.
Exactly.
Like him really have that thing there for Destiny. So, yeah.
Destiny and Mildred.
So Destiny would be like a step grandchild.
Yeah, the closest
the most legitimate step grandchild.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we can't. Yeah, Mildred in a relationship. So them have a big step grand picnic together. Yeah. So first him asking the question about you breaking the news to Whisper. You telling him say you don't really want to say it yet, you want it to be a surprise. He might ask you if a surprise is
you care.
Also, it looked like a vehicle drop you have. And on your way to the car, you stop, like you hear something, and you look at something, and you make a big sign, and you turn around. Because you know, it's like you're feeling first, and you turn around and stand up the sun. And I said, you know me the plan for coming see you. And he might ask you, how much time you tell me that? I bet you tell me, say, you did plan for call me, for you do that more than when you can see. And I tell her, I say, you have to come over here at some time, you know. And I say, that is not easy, we are not people head. You look at me, I'm a picnic. I'm going to run back home, so ask your mom about me. Your mom tell you about me. He's a man who go. There's a pre-beginning now where he might tell you about say, he no run back a woman and he will go away and all of that. And then we got into him asking the question, are you going to tell him I said, you know already. We'll tell you.
So, hold on there. When we come and then talk to her, now we come with a bag of so we stop on the pants. You know, we come here.
Okay. Yeah.
You know.
So again, hold on.
But I hope you never. This is the time. Yeah, me never want you dream this. Yeah.
Right.
You know why you really come here?
Why? Of all the things them for your dream.
Which means that what we could do is get her leaving. While she's leaving, she's on the phone with you. Well, you tell her, so you're not, she'll tell you, say, I'm not there, I'm not up on the road now. And the house there, the house empty, but when you come, you can just say, or you tell her, say, no, I'm just come pick up the car. And I hope you never say nothing to to Christina.